Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here product mockup for Photoshop. First I show you property. Total size of this folder 6.05 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed in single part, but these are protected. First you need subscription and then you have access of my all file. Go to sherry.skpwt.com. Now here 25% discount. Go to my website. 25% of discount offer for 4 days, and now remaining just 2 days for 20% discount. Okay, just one time payment for lifetime access. Here candle mockup in PSD, same thing here. Cap mockup, you can replace your own design, place your design here. Okay, same thing here. Coffee cup and ice cream, iPhone, second iPhone on stone, and here phone with microphone mockup. Here poster mockup, you can place your design here. Next photo collage mockup for your own design, own photo. Roll up banner, and here stand poster mockup. I know you know how to customize these files in Photoshop. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.